Hi everyone and welcome to Creative Chelsey. Today I'm excited to share with you my last alternative card using the December 2022 paper pumpkin kit called Good Things Come in Small Packages. This kit created 16 gift boxes, and if you're interested in watching me unbox that kit or seeing any of my other alternative projects, you can click on my playlist and I'll link it up here in the top right corner. Today's card is my card that I am going to give out to my Paper Pumpkin subscribers. Each month, my Paper Pumpkin subscribers receive an exclusive card kit designed by me using the stamp set from that month's Paper Pumpkin kit. This is the stamp set from the December kit, and I'm going to be using it on my card today. This is the card they will be creating as an extra thank you for being my Paper Pumpkin customer. If you would like to also receive this special perk, sign up today and select me as your demonstrator. Use the link in the description box below to subscribe. If you are new to my channel and want to see more of my videos, click on the subscribe button in the bottom right corner. I would love to be your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and help you with any of your paper crafting needs. To purchase any of the products you see me use today, please visit my online store and the link is below in the description. Because the stamp set that came in the kit doesn't really have any images, I really needed to pull in something fun since we have just greetings here. And I wanted to use the Dandy Designs Designer Series paper. This is a paper pack that you can get from Celebration right now. So when you order $100 or more, you can choose this pack of paper. Celebration is between January and February of 2023. So this pack of paper is a 12 by 12 and I've cut it down to 6 by 6 just so that I can show you all the patterns a little easier on video. It has 12 different double-sided patterns, and then you get 4 of each sheet. So you get 4 of each double-sided pattern. And they're so versatile, really bright, colorful, perfect for upcoming celebrations this year, birthdays, Easter, spring, summertime. And so in the kits that I'm going to be giving to my subscribers, they're going to get 2 different patterns. And that's going to give them an option to create birthday, graduation, baby shower, wedding, any type of cards they need just by combining with that pattern some of the greetings from the stamp set. So today I'm going to be using this pattern paper, and again, it's double-sided. I love that this side has the 2 different colors, and so I'm also going to pull in those colors as well. And if you are my customer and you're getting this kit, you can choose any color combination that coordinates with your paper that's in your kit. And again, those are all going to be different patterns, so you're not going to have the same patterns that I have or that I'm showing in this video. So to begin, you're going to take your card base and decide which theme you want this to be. I think I'm going to go with birthday. So I'm going to do the Good Things Come in Small Packages and then the happy and birthday stamps. So on the background, we're going to try to create some interest on this white card base. And so I've got my happy and birthday, and they're just on opposite sides of a clear block. And I'm going to use fresh freesia, and I think I'm going to start with the birthday. And I'm going to just try to stamp this straight on my card base, and then I'm going to actually stamp it twice without re-inking. And that's going to give me a second generation stamped image. So I've got my first generation, which is nice and dark, and then my second is a little lighter. And I'm just going to go ahead and repeat that all over my card base, mainly focusing in the top left and bottom right corners. Let's do another one over here. Maybe one coming off. Really quickly, if you do stamp your first image off, you do need to re-ink and then stamp off before you can stamp again, or you're going to get a different colors within that second stamp. Okay, so there's my birthday. Next, I'm going to take my Calypso Coral and I'm going to do happy. So I'm going to ink that up and then just kind of do the same thing and add happy to those corners. And I can line them up if I want it to say maybe happy birthday, but it doesn't have to be lined up. Okay, so you'll get something that looks like this. Next, I want to add just a little bit of splatter, and I'm going to use my black Stampin' Write marker. You could use any color Stampin' Write marker that you have, or if you have one that coordinates with the ink colors that you've stamped, you can do that too. And you just put it inside your lid and flick it out, and it adds this really nice splatter to the corners. Next, I'm going to stamp my main greeting. So for this one, I wanted to do the good things come in small packages, and I'm going to add that to the center of the small white piece of cardstock. And then I'm going to do happy birthday in the Calypso Coral. And my birthday has the purple on it, so I'm just going to stamp it off until it's clean and then stamp happy birthday underneath. Okay, so you'll get something that looks like this. If you're not using two different colors, then you don't have to stamp it in two different colors. That's up to you. So now we can add these pieces together. I'm going to add this with about a 1/2 inch on the top and bottom. So the designer series paper is a 3" by 3" square piece, and then the small greeting is 2 inches by 3 inches, which gives you just a little hint of the papers at the top and bottom. Then I'm going to take a piece of linen thread, and I like using linen thread because it's really versatile. You could use it for any greeting and with any color combination. So this works really well in the kit that I'm sending out, since every card will be just a little bit different. So I'm going to put those two ends together and then tie a knot and then tie a bow. And then you can slide that down to the bottom of the greeting. Then I'm going to take some dimensionals, just using up the edge here, and add some dimensionals to the corners, maybe add one to the bottom so that it holds that piece of linen thread in place and it doesn't slide off. And then you can just pop that right there in the center of your card. So just a really fun, quick, easy card. And just a great way to use those stamps that came in the kit. We're using some of the smaller images to create an interesting background, and then again making a nice big focal point with our designer series paper, and then a larger greeting on front, and then a little bit of linen thread just as a small embellishment. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me create this fun card that you can create using just a stamp set from the Paper Pumpkin kit in December. If you're interested in getting paper pumpkins so that you can create fun monthly projects, please subscribe using the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.